Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing moomoo with TradeStation and which one is really suiting you best. So let's get right into it. So starting with moomoo, it has a user-friendly interface which is clean, colorful, packed with beginner tools like paper trading and in-app tutorials. It gives you free real-time data, advanced charts and level 2 codes and even AI-driven analysis which is great for fast decision making. So moomoo basically offers $0 commission on US stocks and ETFs, plus free tools that other platforms basically charge for. It is perfect for active beginners and even intermediate traders who want pro-level tools without the complexity. Now if I compare moomoo with TradeStation, as you can see over here, TradeStation means it has a more pro and feature-rich uh, platform which is complex. It is more suited for experienced traders who can handle the learning curve. It goes deeper, they have customizable strategies, built-in backscattering, and even automated trading. Now it has flexible pricing with zero commission for casual investors, but fees apply for advanced order types and data packages. So TradeStation is better for hardcore traders who need algorithm features, multi-monitor support, and deep strategy customization. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you in deciding between the two. Thank you so much for watching.